If you are looking for the best RC boat, here is a collection you have got to see. Number 1, most popular. Force 1 Velocity RC Boat H102 RC Boat. The boat. This RC boat from Force 1 features an intuitive remote control that kids and adults can easily use. The 120-meter signal range gives you free rein to explore the water, and you can easily right the boat with the push of a button if the boat flips over. A low battery and out-of-range alarm notifies you if you're about to lose control of your boat, helping ensure you won't have to swim after it. The boat can travel up to 20 miles per hour and the battery has a 15-minute run time. The battery is rechargeable as well. Number 2. Remote Control Boats SHARKOOL H106 RC Self-Righting Racing Boats. This remote control boat has a double-hatched battery casing to keep water out, and it also features a low battery warning that appears on the remote control. 4 channels on the 2.4 GHz range help prevent interference from other boats. The speed can reach up to 25 km/h. This cooling system can make the motor cooling that works for a long time, reduce losses and extend the lifetime of the ship. Moreover, it can also protect the motor, which will only work when the fluid is sensed. Number 3. H102 Velocity Remote Control Boat. This remote control speedboat is great for outdoor use. It will give your kids the best experience in the pool or lake. The Force 1 high-speed series is a great model both for kids and adults. It blasts past other boats on the water at 20 miles per hour thanks to the large propeller. Keep track of the boat with the large LCD screen. It has a durable anti-flip design. Besides, the boat is super easy to control in the lake. The battery has a long life, and the company throws in an extra battery to extend your playtime. Number 4. Udirc Venom 2. 4 GHz high-speed remote control electric boat. One unique feature that makes the Venom stand out from the rest is that the boat has been engineered to reverse in its path. Another one of its distinctive qualities is the water cooling system. Udirc designed the Venom with this system to prevent its motor from overheating by using the water it runs on. The vessel runs on a 370 size motor. It is powerful and runs on heavy USB rechargeable batteries, which have low battery detection in place. Number 5. Number 5. Altair AA102 Red RC Boat. A Aqua RC boat from Altair is a great introduction speedboat and perfect for anyone who has no experience using remote control boats. This boat features beginner-friendly handling and expert-level features. You can reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour racing this boat across pools, ponds, or lakes. The boat also has a range of 100 meters, giving you plenty of space to slice through the water. The Aqua will set off an alarm if battery is running low. Its anti-capsize hull system is one that makes the Aqua stand out.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.